Hello everybody, I am out for my daily beach walk. As you can see, the water is beautiful, crystal clear, and I'm on west of Bowman's Beach. And the last time I was here, this was nice and smooth, and now you can see there's a drop off from, I guess, all the storms we had. And right there we have a sea turtle nest. They're starting to come up. I see there's quite a few of these. They come through, they mark them, and they put down that metal grate right there that stops the coyotes and raccoons and whatever have you from digging up the eggs. And of course we have somebody, I guess, looking for shells, or it's a body, one or the other. I'm not exactly sure what it was. Oh no, she's moving. Okay. As you can see, like I said, it's beautiful. The water is beautiful, clear. It's very windy, or pretty windy anyhow. Okay, for you shell collectors, there's something that's really interesting. Let's see what, well, it was interesting a second ago. It looked like a whole one from a distance, but it's not. Oh well. A lot of birds right here. Must be a lot of bait fish right there. Of course, I never catch any of them diving. Not a whole lot of people down this end of the beach. There's a few down the other end. Well, Bowman's Beach is down further, and that's packed solid, of course. But it's a beautiful day to be out here, getting my exercise. And looking for shells, and I am not seeing any. I'm going to give them a lot of, I'm going to give them a lot of room, but I hate scaring them. There's a horseshoe crab right there. See him moving through the water? Right there. And then I thought I saw more down here, but that looks like seaweed because that's just drifting. And if you look down that way, you can see that's Bowman's Beach down there. You can see all the people down there. We are avoiding them at all costs. Alrighty, thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you on the next video. If you haven't, please subscribe and hit that little bell, let you know when our next video is out. And please leave a message, say hi, just say anything, just so I know somebody's watching. Alright, see you next time around. Bye bye.